Today we're going on a fascinating journey to the depths of the oceans. Every day in June, during National Ocean Month, celebrated by PACE, we will explore the colorful and vibrant face of our blue planet. The oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface and are home to countless ecosystems and species. PACE is a major NASA research mission that seeks to understand the health of the oceans and their interactions with the atmosphere. This year, the PACE team is celebrating National Ocean Month with incredible images that show the colorful and vibrant face of our oceans. First and foremost, the colors of the oceans are important not only for aesthetics, but also for ecosystem health. Color changes in the oceans are an indicator of phytoplankton density, pollution levels, and other biological activities. By monitoring these color changes with high-resolution satellite imagery, PACE collects critical data on the health of the oceans. One of the highlights of this year's PACE celebrations is the hidden heroes of the oceans, phytoplankton. By photosynthesizing, phytoplankton absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and produce oxygen. They are also one of the cornerstones of the marine food chain. By monitoring phytoplankton activity, PACE seeks to better understand their impact on ocean health and climate change. PACE's mission includes studying not only the oceans, but also the interactions between the ocean and the atmosphere. Oceans help offset climate change by absorbing carbon from the atmosphere. PACE provides critical data to understand these complex interactions and project future climate scenarios. National Ocean Month is a reminder of how important our oceans are and how hard we must work to protect them. The data PACE provides guides scientists and policymakers to take the necessary steps to protect the oceans. Individually, we can contribute to ocean conservation by taking small but effective steps in our daily lives. Today, with these spectacular images from PACE, we celebrate the stunning beauty and vibrant colors of the oceans. Our blue planet is a great source of hope for our future, and it is our responsibility to protect it. Thank you for celebrating National Ocean Month. If you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video.